jalapeno popper mummies, and meatball eyeballs for Halloween.
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone. For the eyeball meatballs, you start off with some strips of raw bacon. Slice those down the middle lengthwise to make long strips. And then you need meatballs. I'm using homemade ones here, but you could use those frozen ones if you wanted to. And all you have to do is wrap the bacon around the eyeball or the meatball. I used 2 long strips for each meatball because these are quite large. All you have to do is remember is just leave a space that doesn't have any, and that's where the actual eyeball part's going to go into. And then just cook them in a pan in the oven. There they are cooked. I brushed mine with a little bit of barbecue sauce about the last 10 minutes of cooking time just to glaze them and to give them a little bit of red color and a little bit more flavor. And then I loosened that bacon a little bit and I inserted a candy eyeball just under the wrappings of the bacon. And there you go, it's done. All you have to do is stick a toothpick in it for your little appetizer platter. Now for the mummy poppers, these are just jalapeno poppers that I bought at the store, and you're going to bake them according to package directions. You'll notice me putting some frozen chicken tenders on there as well. I made these at the same time that I made those vampire chicken sliders, which were in my last video. If you want to see that one and you missed it, it'll be in the description box. And once they're cooked, according to package directions, take them out of the oven, and I put just some small strips of mozzarella cheese on top of each one, and then I put them back in the oven under the broiler just for a few minutes. Keep an eye on them just to melt that cheese a little bit, and then you can decorate with eyes by putting little dabs of ketchup or mustard, and I decided to add little candy eyeballs to these. Now you may or may not want to use the candy eyeballs on every single one of them. You could even put them on just a few of them just for decoration, or tell people that there are candy eyeballs on there. People might want to pick them off before they eat them, because I'm not sure how well candy eyeball goes with a meatball, if you know what I mean. And here they are all together with those sliders I was talking about. It makes a really cute little appetizer platter for a Halloween party. I've done a few Halloween savory recipes and they are on a playlist. If you want to see it, go ahead and click on your screen, and thank you so much for watching.